Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times before. That is where this green line is coming from. And the last time I did the chart, talked about the green line here being a level of support at 545, but that also leads into the first update that needs to play out, and that is that it's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly how it all unfolded. So it was a level of support, then this morning was broken down below it. So as I stated, according to the rule, you would then expect it to act as resistance, and that's, you could throw this right into a textbook, as that is exactly where the price was rejected from there. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying 545 can't be broken and the price can never get back up above it. I'm just saying it makes perfect sense why the price ultimately did struggle right up there at 545, with this nice little bounce here that occurred throughout the course of the day. So 545, definitely that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push above there, then it just all circles back to the overarching level of resistance, which is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. You can see it's already got a little bit of a track record right there of knocking down the price, but one hurdle at a time. So getting a little bit ahead of myself talking about the 50-period. First, the price just needs to get back above the 545 mark right there. Now, what about levels of support? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped earlier on in the day down around the $5.20 mark. So 520, like I said, nothing fancy, just that's simply the key level of support because that's where the bleeding stopped today. And in the event the price cannot hold above there, do want to get one more area of support mapped out. I guess I've already mapped that out from a previous video, and that sits down around $4.90. So this is going way back to December of 2018. So we were talking about literally over a half a year ago, the last time the price down in this range of the chart. But right now, if like I said, that level right around 520 did hold, but if that doesn't quite hold up, that it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially drift down to 5 and more than likely down below it. So we'll see if the price can try to stabilize out here, but overall the past few weeks have definitely been all bears. So we'll see if the bulls can try to level things out or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.